In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Trello account to your Slack account. This integration is going to streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage projects across both platforms effectively. Now let's dive right into the process. To kick things off, we'll first navigate to Trello.com. This is your starting point, so be sure you're signed in before proceeding. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. You have a couple of options here. You can either log in using your email or opt for a Google account login if that's more convenient. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Trello dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, head over to the Boards section. You'll find this under the Your Workspaces heading on the left sidebar. This area showcases all the boards you've created or are a part of. From here, select the board you want to integrate with Slack by clicking on it. With the board open, look for the Settings icon or link generally referred to as Workspace Settings. Clicking this will open a new set of options. What we're interested in here is the option called Add to Slack. Click on it and this will trigger a new prompt. You'll now be taken to the Slack authorization page. This is an important step where you'll need to grant permission for Trello to access your Slack workspace. Carefully review the permissions, which typically include reading your channels, writing messages, and some other key integrations. Once you're comfortable with them, go ahead and click Allow. This grants Trello the required permissions to function seamlessly within your Slack environment. Now there's one more Allow button you need to click. This step ensures Trello is fully authorized on both platforms, finalizing the integration process. Once you've clicked it, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Slack has been successfully linked with Trello. And there you have it. Your Trello board is now connected to your Slack account. This integration will now let you post updates, share board activity, and ensure everyone on your team stays informed right from within Slack. Remember that integrating Trello with Slack greatly enhances your productivity, letting you take advantage of the best features of both tools. If you encounter any issues, always double check the permission settings and ensure that your accounts have the correct access rights. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your projects more efficiently.